Coca-Cola is the most consumed soft drink in the world, with 2 billion servings consumed per day. This drink is distributed in more than 200 countries, making the company earn annually more than $68 billion. But do you know how this soda is made? See in this video all the details of the production of this product, from the selection of raw materials to the final packaging. The history of Coca-Cola dates back to 1886, when pharmacist John Pemberton, a resident of Atlanta, created a peculiar mixture of syrups and plant extracts, initially marketed as a tonic to relieve headaches and exhaustion. Composed of a secret blend of oils, carbonated water, sugar, and caffeine, the original formula was developed in an attempt to create a revitalizing elixir. It was only with the help of his accountant, Frank Robinson, that the name Coca-Cola was conceived, along with the iconic handwritten logo. The drink, initially sold in pharmacies as a remedy, soon won over palates and gained popularity, transforming from a modest local product into a global icon. The first Coca-Cola manufactured on Brazilian soil was in the year 1941, when the then president of the Coca-Cola Company, Robert Woodruff, promised the United States Armed Forces that all American soldiers would always have a cold Coca-Cola accessible to quench their thirst, at the price of 5 cents, regardless of profit or loss for the company. Recife and Natal, at the time, formed the Victory Corridor, a mandatory stop for vessels and any other military vehicles going to war-torn Europe. Since then, the company gained strength in the country and has been growing and growing and growing ever since. By the end of the 1960s, there were already more than 20 factories spread across Brazil. 790 aluminum cans began to arrive, as well as the 1.5-liter returnable bottles. According to Coca-Cola itself, the components used in the production of the beverage that shares the company's name include carbonated water, sugar, cola nut extract, caffeine, caramel color 4, phosphoric acid, and natural flavor. The coca plant originates from Bolivia and Peru. The Incas were the first to discover the analgesic properties present in this plant. The leaves of this plant are traditionally used, chewed by people heading to high-altitude regions, especially in the Andes areas. Coca-Cola is responsible for one of the most intriguing secrets in the world, a secret formula that has challenged the curiosity of many. Its history dates back to the founding of the company in 1892, which makes any modifications to its formula unsurprising. The book Great Secrets, written by William Poundstone and first released in 1983, reveals mysteries involving various products, including a chapter dedicated to Coca-Cola. In this account, ingredients such as vanilla extract, citrus oils, and lemon juice flavorings are mentioned. For a long time, many people believed that cocaine was present in the Coca-Cola formula, but this assumption is incorrect. Cocaine is a substance derived from the coca leaf. What actually happened is that Coca-Cola used coca leaves in its composition, not cocaine itself. But let's find out how Coca-Cola soda is made. Modern Coca-Cola is produced in huge factories. The first step is the preparation of the concentrated syrup. The concentrated syrup is made from a precise mixture of ingredients, including water, sugar, flavorings, and other additives, in large mixing tanks. Water is one of the most important components and must meet established quality standards by the company. The sugar is also checked to ensure purity and consistency. The flavorings, which give Coca-Cola its characteristic taste, are prepared from a mixture of essential oils, natural extracts, and other secret ingredients that make up the original formula. In large mixing tanks, the liquid and solid ingredients are combined in precise quantities, according to Coca-Cola's exclusive formula. The mixture undergoes a homogenization process to ensure that all components blend evenly. This is crucial to ensure the consistency of flavor in all the bottles produced. After mixing, the concentrate goes through a filtration process to remove any impurities or unwanted particles that could affect the final quality of the product. Filtration is a critical process to ensure the purity of the concentrate before it is combined with carbonated water. Purified water is taken to large pressurized tanks, where carbon dioxide is introduced under pressure. The gas is dissolved in the water to create carbonation. Controlling the amount of carbon dioxide is essential to ensure the effervescence and the refreshing sensation when consuming Coca-Cola. After the carbonation of the water, the previously prepared syrup concentrate is combined with this carbonated water in the specific proportions established by the Coca-Cola formula. Precision in mixing is crucial to ensure that each batch produced has the same taste, regardless of where it is manufactured. Samples of the product are constantly tested to ensure that the mixture meets the quality standards established by the company. After the final mixing, the Coca-Cola is ready to be packaged. Bottles, cans, and other containers are filled with the soft drink. During this process, sterilization of the packaging is essential to maintain the freshness and quality of the product until it reaches the consumers, reinforcing the product's quality and the brand's concern with its image in front of consumers. And that was today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.